Spotify, a tool that we all hate and love at the same time, one without which doing assignments and workouts feel incomplete. Recently, I saw this ad in my For You page and was astonished by its simplicity and attractiveness. So, let's see if we can make something like this. Choose a post size, like for a story, a banner, or a poster. Here I took square. Let's break the post into different shapes. First, which looks like half of a pill with rounded edges, known as R-cup shape. Second, the semicircle inside of that, which too has rounded corners, and a pill shape. So let's make this shape in Canva. Take a rectangle and a circle, round the corners of rectangle by a little, and repeat the same for the semicircle. Wait, don't work this hard like I did here. You should use this inbuilt shape like a person with some common sense. Now, gather all the elements required like background shape, foreground shape, pill shape, text, and an image. One that radiates joy and fun. Have the background removed by inbuilt app or by Remove BG website and put it in the semicircle. Change the semicircle's color to a gradient and take colors complementing the colors in the image. Now for the background, you may choose an image like the original one or a gradient like this one. For the background shape, while selecting color, make sure it complements both background color and foreground colors. My recommendation is choose colors after going through websites like Color Hunt or Adobe Color. I chose this green color, which coincidentally is close to the Spotify's own green. Next, change fonts to some bold ones for attention grabbing. Say Telegraph. Change the pill and Spotify's color to white. It is looking quite simple, so let's add these disco lights that reminds me of those Pokemon cards we had in childhood. Drop it all the way back after reducing its transparency. And done. That's how you can make it on Canva. You can use it for your own postcards or Spotify playlist. Thank you for staying, and I do too hate Spotify ads.
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes.